Hello guys, in this video I try to explain very deeply two area. One it's point, actually it's apex, and another it's area, it's sterestone. So I will explain these two deeply and I will tell you what's the difference between these two. Let's do it. Apex and Esteres zone. As you can see, different between the name. Esteres zone, it's a zone, it's not just one place, and apex can be a place. Okay, so I just first start with some keywords that I explain it very fast to have a same language together. Okay, um, if this is the nail, the part that it's connected to the skin, always we call it bed nail. Okay, the part that it's the natural nail but it's separate from the skin and it's normally white, we call it free edge. Okay, and the point that it's in the side wall of the nail bed, and it's the place that nail start to be separate from the skin, from the body, we call it growing point. So these three keywords, I will use it a lot. So when I use these words, you know which part of nails I mean. Okay, now let's talk about the apex. What is apex? Apex is the place over the nails that you can put the maximum product over it. And on the natural nails is always middle of the bed nail. Okay, middle of a bed nail. Like this is bed nail. Okay, I just draw you a nail. If this is our natural nail, apex, this is the natural nail, and there is no free edge. So apex is really in the middle of the, they call it apex, okay? So it's here, right in the middle. So when you want to apply a product, you will start from here, your minimum, then in the apex you put your maximum, and then again you will go to the minimum. The way that we apply product over the natural nails, right? So apex is in the middle of the bed nail, and you allow to put the maximum material here. Normally, like this kind of nail, just you work over the natural nails, it's 1 millimeter product thickness you can put here, and or sometimes a little less. So now we talk about nails that it's here is the bait nail, and here is free edge, right? Whole is natural nail, is not extension. So what's going on? Apex still is in the middle of the bed nail, so it's here. It's your apex. So you will put your maximum product here, but what's going on here? You will apply your product the minimum here, and you just come to the maximum in the middle of your bed nail, and then start to keep going down very slowly to the free edge. So here that you start to going down to your free edge, you will put less product very slowly. Don't go like that, very slowly. So at the end of, if your shape is almond, at the end of the shape almond appear from the side, if you see it, right? Now I will talk about the ester zone, and you can see what's the difference between these two. Now ester zone, as you can see in the name, it's a area, it's the zone, it's not just one point, huh? So this is the nail, the natural nail that we have, right? This is our natural nail, and we wanted to apply the gel over this, and we wanted to respect apex and ester zone to have a maximum time this gel over this nail, right? So first of all, you will find your middle, and this is, we call it apex. You will put your maximum here. Then the ester zone will be the area when your growing point, you find your growing point, you will draw, you imagine two branches like that, is come up from the nails, and this area, it's your ester zone, right? When you want to, you reach your apex here, you just keep continue, this not the same, but very, very slowly, less product, less gel here, and your minimum will be in your free edge, like that. I will show you in my nails. Okay, as you can see, the growing point is here for me and here, yes. So I imagine two parentheses like that in front of each other, here too, and this is my stress zone. You see, this is my bed nail. In the middle, it's apex, and this is my stress zone, just 1 millimeter after apex. If it's hard to find it, you just press the natural nail down like that, and you can see a part of the nails start to be white. You can see in the video, right? This part, it's the stress zone, is the place of the nail that all of the pressure go there. So what's going on here for my nails, the stress zone and the apex is the same area. You see? But naturally, if it's hard for you to figure it out, where is it, and some nails you just push it like that and this place is white, so that's why they call it stress zone, because there is a zone. My area, like the stress zone, is this place that I show to you. So if I wanted to put the gel over this nail, I start here my minimum and I will put the maximum product 1 millimeter here, and then I just keep like 1 millimeter or 0.7 millimeter till my stress zone, and then I come down very slowly like this. You see, I apply from here. My max is in the stress, in the apex and stress zone, and then I came down. Okay, now I will show you the stress zone in the long nail. If it's the natural nail, this is the growing point. Here it's apex, in the middle it's apex. So from the growing point, you imagine two parentheses coming up, your stress zone here, so your apex here, you start from here, put the maximum and you keep it, and then you will go down like that. You will have your almond here too. I respect my stress zone here. So now I talk about why we need to respect apex and stress zone. In the extension is the same, okay? When the nail is come to you like that and you extend it after you apply builder gel, you must respect your apex and your stress zone. Why? Because if this is my nail and it's like that, right? And this is my apex, come here, I respect the stress zone, and I came down and I have my extension, which is like almond. Right, after 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks, this start to grow up and whole your work with the gel application is come forward, right? So the whole nails, it will come here, right? And this is natural nail that they grow, and whole nail is come here. So what's happened, your apex will come over your stress zone here. After 2-3 weeks, the apex come to the stress zone, and still this nail can hold this amount of material for 1 more week, so your nail stay more longer on the client hand, right? But if, for example, this is the nail and I just don't respect the stress zone, and like I see in many works, people they keep the middle of the whole plate of nails and they put the apex here, the maximum they put here. So actually it's not like the almond shape is that, and then after 2 weeks when it's grow up, whole this will come to this place, right? It will be like that, so whole the nail will be here. And what's going on your stress zone, you don't have enough material because you put here less material around the cuticle, it moved to here. So what's going on here, when the she work or do everything, the pressure go to the around the stress zone, all the pressure go to the stress zone, and the nail start to peel off from here, from the root. So she will have a lot of pain here, and this area start to lift it up, you know. That's one the reason for the lifting. You have lifting because you don't respect to the apex and stress zone. So now I recommend it to you, just sit and with the pen and paper start to draw a nails and repeat what I draw over the paper, because it's help you to put all the information correctly in your brain. And when you apply gel over the nails, your brain can realize the good place for the apex and stress zone, and make a level between two for the product. So it's help you in your work when you have a little, like 5 minute practice on the paper. So do it, and if still you have some problem, you can comment on my video and I will back to you.